After this, we can compare this to some of the image that we use other AI to generate, and you can tell the quality of image that we have gotten from this. So when you see the previous image I generated of something, you can see the difference. You can see this one and look at that, and this another image I generated with the FLUX AI. You can tell the difference. You can see the quality of images I have gotten so far. I'm so in love with this particular AI generative tool. If you are thinking of creating a high quality images and videos for your faceless YouTube channel, use FLUX AI image generator too. Wait, I'm going to explain why you need a FLUX AI image generator to create your AI images today, and I'm also going to show you how you can use it to achieve your faceless YouTube channel goals. So the reason why I said you should go for the FLUX AI image generator tool is that FLUX AI is a powerful tool for creating detailed and high quality images in various styles online. Also, it offers a powerful and accessible tool for bringing your creative ideas to life for free. This guide is a complete tutorial on how to use the FLUX AI without spending a dime, and it is available across several platforms, but some of these platforms are free while others are not, but they all offer higher quality images with the help of the FLUX AI. So in this guide, I will introduce you to some of the paid platforms and how to use them, and I'll also introduce you to some of the free platforms that you can access FLUX AI to generate your AI images for your faceless YouTube channel without spending any money. I will also show you how to use this free platform to generate high quality images for your faceless YouTube channel, then also offer you with tips for crafting effective prompts to create high quality images. So if you're on budget, the free platform will be a perfect choice for you. So in the next few minutes, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to start using the FLUX AI without spending a dime. Let's get started. So a quick overview of the FLUX AI and how it works, then we can start generating our images. So we can access that through FLUX.1 now. So on the home page, you can see the kind of images that you can generate using the FLUX AI. So if you don't even know the kind of images you want to create as a beginner, you can go through some of these images for you to have an idea of the kind of images that you want to create. So let's quickly scroll through the images to see what this AI generator 2 can do for us. Okay, so these are kind of the images that we can create using the FLUX AI image generator. So we have a lot of images that can give us an idea of what we want to create. So the next thing we need to know is that FLUX1 comes in 3 distinct variants. The first one is FLUX1 Pro, and the next one is FLUX1 Dev, and the third one is FLUX1 Schnell. So the FLUX1 Pro is good for those that need highest quality images for commercial or large scale projects. It gives high visual quality images and detailed images as well. You can access the FLUX1 Pro through their API or on platforms like Replicate, AI, and Mystic. And the second variant is the FLUX1 Dev. It is ideal for developers and people like you and I that are looking for high quality image generation for personal use or non-commercial use. It is derived from the FLUX1 Pro, and you can access it on platforms like Hugging Face, Replicate, AI, Mystic, and Deep Infra. And the third variant is the FLUX1 Schnell, which is one of the fastest variants that can be used for personal use or local use. It also offers high quality images. You can also access that through platforms like GitHub, Replicate, AI, Mystic, and Deep Infra. So these are the 3 variants of the FLUX AI that we can use. So by now, I'm sure you know the variant that you want to use to create your image. So now let's start generating images with some of the platforms that I have mentioned. So the first one is the Replicate. So we copy it from here, then visit and just search in Google, click on explore, and then scroll through the models that we have here. We have different models here, so we can scroll through it and then choose the one we want to use. So you see we have FLUX1 Dev here. We also have the FLUX1 Schnell here. The Pro is not appearing here. So this is where you enter your prompt, and when you scroll down, you can see you also have the option to enter your aspect ratio here. So if you are creating the image to create videos for your, let's assume, Facebook Reels, then you have to use the aspect ratio that is appropriate for Facebook Reels or Instagram or TikTok. But if it's for YouTube, then you also have to use the YouTube aspect ratio. Then you also have the option where you can enter the URL and paste a file or drag a file over here to create similar images here. Now when you scroll down, we also have something that I really love so much, the seed. That is when you want to create a similar image or you want to create consistent images. After entering your prompt and generating your image, it comes with a seed that you can use to regenerate the same image in different situations. It helps you create consistent images for your stories. If you're in a storytelling channel, you cannot run any images here or create images here without any payment method. You first need to enter your payment method to start using it. So this is not free. It is not too expensive as compared to some of the other AI image generator tools. So you can see how much it will cost you to create an image, something very little. So let's see. If you pay $1, it's going to give you 33 images, 33.3 images for $1, which I think is cool that you can use to create so many images if you want to use replicate to access FLUX AI. So now let's move to the next one. So now let's look at the next platform we can use to access FLUX.1 Dev. So we're gonna use the Hugging Face. You can see we have the Hugging Face here. So we're gonna search for that in a search bar like this and then open, so you can log in if you already have an account. But if you do not have an account, then you have to sign up first. With the Hugging Face platform, you can see we have the FLUX.1 Dev here. We also have the FLUX.1 Schnell here, plus other models appearing here that we can use. But our focus is on the FLUX.1 Dev, so we can tap on it. Okay, so it's just straightforward to use. So you can just enter your prompt here and your image will be generated here. So let's get a prompt that we can use. Paste your prompt here like this, then click on run. So before we click on run, we can go through the advanced settings and then do a little bit of adjustment so we can resize our image from here. For if you know the platform you are creating the image for, then you can use the aspect ratio to do that. So let's assume we are creating these images for our YouTube channel, then we're going to use this aspect ratio, the 1920 plus the 1080, so we can maintain the rest and then hit on the run to generate our image. Great. So you can see the kind of image that's generated for us. This looks so real and it's so nice. You can see there's no distortion in the background. Everything looks so perfect and nice. And one thing I like about this is that it also generates a seed for you. So the reason why we need a seed is if you are creating these images for your storytelling channel, you will need a seed of the images to generate consistent images. You can paste the seed here because we want consistent image, and then here we can paste our prompt again, but this time we want the boy to be sitting under the tree, and we hit on the run. You can see the similarity between the first image we generated here and the second image we also generated. So we can hit on the download button to download that. So now let's try creating another image and see. So the prompt is on the screen. You can see the prompt I'm going to use to create the next image: a cheerful robot with a large expressive eyes. Hit on the run to generate the next prompt. So remember, in crafting your prompt, the more specific and vivid your prompt is, the better your results will be. So you need to be specific in creating or crafting your prompt. That's the first step in crafting prompt. In addition to the basic prompt, FLUX AI also allows you to fine-tune your images. You can adjust the image size, modify the prompt strength, and even add negative prompts. Great. So you can see our image is ready, and this is so nice. You can actually tell this is the exact prompt we entered, and this is cool. You can see how clear this is. There's no distortion anywhere. Everything looks so perfect. So we can hit on the download button to download our image. So this is how you can access the FLUX.1 Dev on Hugging Face to generate your images. So now let's try the next platform that we can access FLUX.1 to generate quality images for our faceless YouTube channel. So the next platform you can also access FLUX AI is on Tensor.art. You can access the link in the description section. So on the Tensor.art, it is straightforward. You come to the create button, click on the creation. So enter your prompt here, then enter your negative prompt here. The reason why we need negative prompt is that we want high quality images. So look at what we have here. So we have blurry, distorted, low quality. So you can see all these things are things that we don't want it to appear in our images. Great. Now you can scroll down and click on the models here and choose the model that you want to use. We have a lot of models here that we can use. For the purpose of this video, it is FLUX1 that we want to use. So you can click on the select to select the model. You can hit on the generate button to generate your image. You can see we have a payment plan here. It is not free. So far it is only one image that I've been able to generate here. So this is not completely free. Okay, so this is one of the paid platforms you can use to generate your AI images using the FLUX1. So the next platform you can use to access the FLUX1 AI is by using the Glif.app. That's the link on the screen. You can also access the link in the description section. So it is just straightforward to use the Glif AI. So you can just type Glif AI, click on the first option and then click on build button. Then from here you can click on the plus button to choose image generator. Then you can describe the image you want to create here to start generating your image. So we can enter our first prompt here. Then you will scroll down, choose the aspect ratio. So we're going to go with the landscape. We also have the advanced control, so you can enter a negative prompt here. So the prompt I'm using is on the screen. You can see it. You can also request for the link of this prompt in the comment section. Just go to the comment section and type my legacy studio, share the prompt with me, and I'm going to share that with you. So here we're going to select the model to use. So we have the FLUX Pro, we have the FLUX Dev, and FLUX Schnell. So you see we have all the variants, the 3 variants here, but let's go with the Dev. And then you have to select the aspect ratio. So now let's click on run this glyph to see if image is going to be generated for us. So you can see the image that we had, or the result is top notch. You can see there is no distortion right here. So this is how you can access the FLUX AI on the Glif app. Now let's try generating another image again for better understanding. Paste our prompt here. So we are going to maintain our settings. Since we have already done that, we are going to maintain all these ones and then hit on the run this glyph to see. Great. So I just love this image. It's so beautiful. You can see we can go ahead and save that onto our drive. Okay, so we're going to try the next prompt to generate our next image to see. So we have our prompt here. Let's change the variant to the Pro to see, and then let's change the aspect ratio 16:9. So let's hit on the run this glyph to see if we are going to get something nice. So I'm even short of words. You can see this is so nice. Let's preview it, and you can tell the quality of images that has been generated for us. Let's just go ahead and then, without wasting much time, let's hit on the save image as and save this to our drive. So you can see so far I have generated 3 different images here without paying anything, but other platforms give you the opportunity to just create 1 image and that's it. The rest you have to pay. Some are not even free at all. So, and some, before you can even give it a try, you need to enter your payment method to pay or make a payment before you can even generate a single image. So you have to make sure you know the kind of platform you are going to use to generate your AI images. The beauty of the FLUX AI is that you can experiment until you get the perfect image you want. You can just go ahead and tweak the prompt till you get the image that you want. So nice. You can see the kind of image that it has generated for us. Let's just go ahead and save that onto our drive. So this is a prompt that I used to generate this image, and you can see if you don't like this image, see, you can run it again to see if it's going to generate another one for you. So we have just clicked on that again to see if it's going to give us a different one, but if you like it, then you can go ahead and then download that onto your drive. Great. So we also have another option that we can go for. So both images are fine. So let's try this one to see. Great. So we can see this is nice. The image is so beautiful. So we can save that onto our drive again. After this, we can compare this to some of the image that we use other AI to generate, and you can tell the quality of image that we have gotten from this. So when you see the previous image I generated of something, you can see the difference. You can see this one and look at that image I generated using another AI tool, and this another image I generated with the FLUX AI. You can tell the difference. You can see the quality of images I have gotten so far. I'm so in love with this particular AI generative tool. So if you are thinking of quality images, then you can go ahead and use this particular image generator tool to use. So far we are still in the testing area, and it's giving opportunity to generate images as long as you can generate. I think I haven't seen the limit yet, but you can see Glif testing area, so you can keep generating till it's no more free, but currently it's free and you can create your images here. Now let's use the last variant, keeping the same prompt, but we're going to use the last variant to see if we are going to get the same image quality. So we can hit on the run to run this image. And even though we are even using the third variant, you can see the image quality is still top notch. So we can go ahead and click on the save as image button and save that onto our drive. So this is how you can generate quality images using the FLUX.1 AI. If you have missed our previous video on how to generate animated stories for kids channels, that video will be popping up. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this new AI tool that you can use to generate images for your storytelling channels. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.